Hi, I'm Shanti from Kindermusik with Shanti. I'm going to share with you some sign language about animals, and then you can use it every day when reading the books or when going out to the parks or to the zoo or from the TV or anywhere. And then we are going to use it in the class as well. Now we are going to do the quack quack, the duck. Quack quack, it's like a duck. Quack quack. And then for the pig, oink oink, oink oink. And then for cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, point your finger like this and then just tap a few times. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. How about ba, sheep, trimming, sheep, ba, ba. And then woof, woof, woof. Is a tap 2 times on your hips and then snap. Woof, 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 woof. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye.